an outline map of India, places of historical importance. General points related to the map question. The first one, we have the geographical ideas is most important. How many places we are marking in northern part of India? How many places we are marking eastern India? How many places we are marking in western India? How many places we are marking in South India, especially in Karnataka? Those points, those ideas we have, easily we can marking all the places, means 20 places are very easy, and even writing the historical importance also very easy. One point, the two important places we are marking out of the boundary of India, okay, those places are in Pakistan. Name of the first place, Takshashila. Takshashila, historical importance you know already. Number one, here empty Indian map is there. Already marked places names are there. Here only numbers, here all places name. In examination times, an outline map of India, this type of the map you can use received from the invigilator during the second year PUC annual examination. First you are writing the invigilator, first you are taking the signature from the invigilators, next register number of the candidate, most important. Then after how you are attending this question, that's also very important. Okay, don't thread or tag in the last pages of your answer sheet. Okay, before 2 or 3 pages you can thread or tag the outline map of India, and same left side you can write historical importance. The first one, the place of first one, Takshashila. Okay, you know already marking here. The name of the place, historical importance. It was the capital of the Gandharas, and next the first ancient university established at Takshashila. Second one, Harappa. Harappa, Indus Valley civilization related place. It was the important place of Indus Valley civilization. The biggest granary located at Harappa. Out of 2 places, write any one. Next, Jallianwala Bagh, freedom place, okay, Indian freedom struggle related place. Jallianwala Bagh, here General Dyer massacred unarmed people who were protesting Rowlatt Act in the year of 1919. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, one of the important tragedy in the extremist period of freedom struggle of India. Next, number 4. You know already, 4 already marked, number 3 over, next number 4. 4, Panipat. It was the famous battlefield. It is in Haryana. Okay, the state of Haryana. Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar in Punjab. Okay, Panipat, it is in Haryana. Okay, it was the famous battlefield. Okay, the first battle of Panipat, the second battle of Panipat take place in the year of 1526 and 1556. Between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi and Akbar and Hemu. Next, Meerut. Okay, number 5, Meerut. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it was the center of the revolt of 1857 or first war of Indian independence. Other historical important, the Sipais of Meerut were participated in the revolt of 1857. Next to number 6, Delhi, Union Territory and capital of India. The historical importance, it was the capital of Sultan of Delhi. It was the capital of the Mughals. It was the capital of Tughlaq dynasty. It was the capital of Khilji dynasty. All answers are right. Next to Agra, number 7. Okay, very easy answer. Shah Jahan built world famous Taj Mahal at Agra. Next, Pataliputra, number 8. Okay, Pataliputra, it was the capital of the Mauryas. Next to Ashoka organized 3rd Buddhist Council at Pataliputra. Okay, next to Calcutta. Okay, West Bengal capital actually, but historical importance. Okay, it was the famous trading center of the British in India. It was the first capital of the British in India. Next to number 10, Dandi. Okay, Mahatma started salt satyagraha at Dandi. It is in Gujarat. Western Indian place. Now only one places we are marked the name of the place Dandi. Next to South Indian places, the number 11 Devagiri. It is in Maharashtra. It was the capital of Tughlaq dynasty. Then Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted the capital from Delhi to Devagiri in the year of 1327. Next to number 12, Bombay. It was the main settlement of the British in India. Coastal area place Bombay. It was the famous trading center of the British in India. Next to INC, Indian National Congress, first session held at Bombay. Next to number 13, Bidar. You know already Karnataka places. Total number 11 to 18 places. We are number 13 to 18 places we are marking in Karnataka. Number first to 13, Bidar. It was the capital of the Bowman Shahis. Muhammad Gawan built madrasa at Bidar. Next to Bijapura. It was the capital of the Adil Shahis. The famous Gol Gumbaz located at Bijapura. Next to Badami. It was the architectural place and capital of the Chalukyas of Badami. Next to Hampi. It was the capital of Vijayanagara Empire and architectural places of Vijayanagara Empire. Next to Halebeedu, number 17, Halebeedu. You know already it was the capital of the Hoysalas and architectural places of Hoysalas. Number 18, Srirangapatna. It was the capital of early warriors Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, and next third and fourth Anglo-Mysore War ended the treaty of Srirangapatna. Next to number 19, Kanchi. It was the famous ancient university also. Next to capital of the Pallavas. Next to the last one, Pondicherry. Number 20, it was the capital of the French in India. French capital and union territories of Frenches. Most important places of 20 places we are marking. In examination, 8 places comes to your examination. You know already all places you are marking. Very easy. You marking all places and write all historical importance. Why? Because any one place wrong out of 8, even others are right, you will get more marks in examination. 10 out of 10 you are getting very easy. Just 1 second recall. First one Takshashila, second one Harappa, third one Jallianwala Bagh, fourth one Panipat, fifth one Meerut, sixth one Delhi, seventh one Agra, eighth one Pataliputra, ninth one Calcutta, 10th one Dandi, 11th one Devagiri, 12th one Bombay, 13 Bidar, 14 Bijapura, 15 Badami, 16 Hampi, then 17 Halebeedu, then 18 Srirangapatna, next 19 Kanchi, then 20 Pondicherry. These are the total 20 places are there. These historical places are most important. The map marks are pocket marks. Actually, you know already 10 out of 20 places you know already. Then what type of the questions comes generally out of the boundary of India, out of 2, 1 and 2, 1 places comes. In North India, 2 places comes. And Eastern India, 1 place. Then Western India, 1 place. The Karnataka, 2 places. Then in Tamil Nadu, out of Kanchi and Pondicherry, 1 place. The total 8 places comes to your examination, and you are marking carefully, and historical importance is very easy, but marking carefully during the examination time. Okay, thank you very much.